Welcome to this instructional video on solving single or double inequalities. In this video, we will be solving the inequality 8f minus 5 is less than or equal to 19. We will provide the solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. Let's get started. Let's start by examining the inequality given to us, which is 8f minus 5 is less than or equal to 19. Our goal is to find the values of f that make this inequality true. To get started, we need to isolate the variable f on one side of the inequality. We can do this by performing basic arithmetic operations. In this case, we want to add 5 to both sides of the inequality to eliminate the minus 5 that is currently with the 8f. So, let's add 5 to both sides of the inequality. On the left side, we have 8f minus 5 plus 5, which simplifies to just 8f. On the right side, we have 19 plus 5, which adds up to 24. After performing this addition, our inequality now reads 8f is less than or equal to 24. The reason we add 5 to both sides is to cancel out the minus 5 and make the expression simpler. By doing the same operation on both sides, we maintain the balance of the inequality, ensuring that the inequality sign still holds true. In summary, after step 1, our inequality has been simplified to 8f is less than or equal to 24. Now we move on to step 2. Our inequality from step 1 is 8f is less than or equal to 24. To further isolate the variable f, we should divide both sides of the inequality by 8 because 8 is currently being multiplied by f. Dividing both sides by 8 helps us to solve for f. When we do this division, we must perform the same operation on both sides to keep the inequality balanced. On the left side, we have 8f divided by 8, which simplifies to just f. On the right side, we have 24 divided by 8, which equals 3. Thus, the inequality becomes f is less than or equal to 3. This tells us that f can be any number less than or equal to 3 to make the inequality true. To summarize, after step 2, we have found that f is less than or equal to 3. Now let's express the solution in both inequality and interval notation. In inequality form, it remains f is less than or equal to 3. In interval notation, it is written as negative infinity to 3 inclusive. To recap, the solution is that f is less than or equal to 3. This concludes the problem-solving process, giving us the final result in both inequality and interval notation. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.